Hello everyone, this is Unicopus, a solution me and my team developed to solve the following problem statement. Develop a website for student-teacher management during online classes. During these 2 days, me and my team came up with plenty of features which we would add to Unicopus to answer the problem statement. So firstly, there is a centralized timetable which teachers themselves can update with their meeting IDs, passwords, depending on the timing of their periods. This in turn syncs with the student dashboard, which is visible here. So they can see their upcoming meetings very easily. It's very accessible. And they can also quickly access the meetings page where there's an inbuilt video conferencing system within Unicopus itself, thus make reducing the time required for students to log into their classes. Next, on the dashboard, the student can see their upcoming assignments that are due. For example, here there is a mathematics assignment due by 11th of April. I can see the information of the assignment that I have to submit. I can go to the course page, which I will present soon, or I can submit the assignment directly as a PDF, which the teacher can view. So, of course, there are many options. Lastly, there is a calendar available on the dashboard where the school themselves can update school events and holidays and give students information about them. For example, if there's an exam coming up, they can add this to the upcoming events rather than the assignment page, along with information about the exams. Next is the teacher's perspective. The teachers is very similar as they have an upcoming meetings page directly on the dashboard, uh, making it accessible for them to log into their own classes as they have to do it quite quickly to teach the students. For example, this math teacher will log in to teach 9B at 8 o'clock and they can link to the meetings page. However, here they have two actions they can take. They can add assignments. For example, here they can add the assignment name, a description of the assignment, what consists and what the students have to submit, and a due date, and they can upload the assignment from here. Or another unique feature of Unicopus is our class summaries and video system, which I'll present in the courses page. Basically, for every class, the teachers, Unicopus can screen record the class, and the teachers can upload a quick summary of the class and an MP4 file of the class recording itself for teachers, for students who are absent, can just look at and catch up on classes. This is a very distinct, unique, advantageous feature of online learning. Next, they can view assignment submissions. So the latest assignment submissions by students themselves. They can see who submitted, the time of submission, the assignment name. They can view the file for their own perusal, or they can grade and correct it through Unicopus itself. They also have an events page. So let's look at the courses page. Here, there are many options. For example, I'm logging as a student over here, and I can see the latest each class. For example, if I want to go to latest physics class, which is on the 7th, and I can see what exactly we did in class. I can view the MP4 and I can download the class as an MP4, which is quite useful. Lastly, let's look at the communications page. This provides a one-way portal between students and teachers to communicate. Because in offline learning, of course, after class or in lunchtime or in breaks, we could approach the teachers with our own doubts that we came up with outside of the class timings. However, this is not available in online learning. So Unicopus provides an alternative, a two-way communication portal where I can go to the communications page and go to the required teacher and send my doubts or ask questions. And of course, this provides another feature that is available in offline classes to online learning. Honestly, the main difficulty we found in developing the solution Unicopus was the fact that there are plenty of learning management systems available online already, such as Google Classroom, which is quite popular, or Moodle. So, coming up with a unique selling point was something we faced a lot of issues in. However, we went about this by first listing every single activity that we take for granted in offline learning and in real life learning and thought about ways we can implement this into an online system. And this helped us come up with the assignment submission feature, the meetings feature, where usually in classes the timetable plastered up on the wall. Next, we thought of things we can take advantage of online learning. For example, the summary and video page was the prominent example. The synchronized timetable, the events page. Lastly, I'd like to talk about what I would have done more if I had more time. Because as I mentioned before, we were only given 2 days, and in these 2 days, we had to connect with our team, create a WhatsApp group, etc., learn about each other's skill sets, and then develop the idea. So, as you can see, this is a front end application. There is no functioning database. Like, for example, if I visit this, I can't actually submit it. The feature is not implemented yet. So the first thing I do, if given more time, was to implement a proper full stack application with all of these features and make it a proper learning management system which can be scalable upwards for actual schools to use. That would be a great achievement. There would also have to be an admin page for school administrators, as many a times teachers and students may make mistakes and they may not be familiar with technology, and admins can rectify this mistake by logging in as an admin. Right now there's only teacher logins and student logins. These admins can remove submissions or change profile details that the teachers themselves can't, etc. And obviously I'd like to implement a proper login feature too. So yes, that's Unicoptus.